Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Depop delivery address before and after placing an order. So first of all, simply sign in into your Depop account. Then you just have to simply look for that particular item which you want to buy. So after selecting the item, simply click on the option of add to bag button. Then you just have to hover over to your cart and click on it. Now over here you just have to select the item that you want to check out. So you need to simply click on the checkout button. Now over here, before you place the order, in this particular section you can just simply either save basically select your saved addresses and then you can make changes into it, or you can also select the option of add a new shipping address. Afterwards, you need to simply start entering your correct details, select the address, and then you just have to complete your purchase. So there is no issue with changing your address when you are placing the order before placing the order. But if you have already placed the order, unfortunately you can't change the delivery address directly on that particular purchase. So over here, in order to change it, you first of all need to message the seller immediately, and then you need to ask them to refund the order. Then you can update your address and then you can purchase the same item again using the correct details. Now if the seller has already shipped the package, you need to retrieve it from the address shown on your original transaction receipt, and the seller shouldn't send it to a different address than the one on the receipt. So that's how you can basically change your Depop delivery address before and after ordering. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.